Whoa, it's the weekend and your face still looks like you just broke out of prison. Did someone annoy you this morning, Sylas?
No. I'm just trying to get used to this normal life. Waking up without being chased, without chains, without people staring at me like I'm a walking time bomb. It's harder than it sounds.
Normal life is that tough? I thought all you needed was a hot chocolate and to sit still for once.
The hardest part is the sitting still. For me, that's a refined form of torture.
That's exactly why you need me, the specialist in injecting optimism into stiff souls. Playful wink.
Yeah, you're not wrong. With you here, this whole cafe suddenly feels brighter. So, how about you? How's your morning been?
Oh, amazing! I woke up at 6, jogged around the lake, waved at everyone, including the fat cat from the corner shop. Then I bought a bag of hot donuts and gave half to the kids who always play shuttlecock there.
You just live that happily all the time and never get tired?
Tired? Why would I? Being happy is my best way to stay battle ready. What about you? Your mornings must be a little different, right?
If different is the word, yeah. I wake up at 7. Warm up by peeling cold chains off my wrists. Then I train, boil water, make a drink, and sit there thinking which prejudice I need to smash in people's heads today.
Haha. You're literally the only person I know whose daily routine sounds like a revolutionary manifesto.
I'm used to it. Still, sometimes I wonder what it'd be like to live as lightly as you do.
Who says you can't? Look at you sitting in a cafe on a weekend, not fighting, not breaking anything, not threatening anyone. That's huge progress.
Fair. But slowing down feels so strange. This morning I spent 20 whole minutes just watching the tree outside the window. I think something's wrong with me.
That's called enjoying life. Definitely not something wrong.
Really? So what do you see when you sit here?
I see you slowly adapting. Even if you won't admit it, you're starting to like a quiet heart.
You really see a lot.
I see it because I want to understand you. Oh, speaking of which, have you ever tried living one full day my way? Just doing tiny things that make you feel good?
I wouldn't even know where to start.
Easy. For example, smile while sipping water. Wave at the alley cat. Give someone a genuine compliment. Or go outside and don't think about starting a riot.
Sounds like a list of impossible missions. But I could try.
Try dating peace for a bit. You might actually like it.
Besides running and handing out donuts, what else do you do?
I spend a full hour practicing smiling.
Practicing smiling?
Yep. Every smile is a slash against sadness. I have to train it. I stand in front of the mirror and rehearse. Soft smile, bright laugh, mysterious smirk, the I just caught you grin, and the plotting something wonderful one.
Don't you ever feel a little weird?
Yeah, and I love it.
I'm starting to love that weirdness too.
Hey, keep dropping lines like that and I might get the wrong idea.
A positive wrong idea is allowed.
You're impossible. Anyway, let me keep telling you about my daily life. I love cleaning the house. Every time I clean, I blast happy music and dance through every step like fighting, but with rhythm.
When I clean, it's just to find new hiding spots. For weapons.
I knew it. So if we ever lived together, I'd have to reserve a special corner for dangerous stuff.
You're already planning that far ahead?
Just joking. Or maybe one day it won't be a joke.
Nilah, sometimes the things you say leave me completely speechless.
You don't have to answer. Just sitting here drinking weekend coffee with me, that's enough.
I'm already doing that.
Perfect. And the most important part of any daily routine? Having someone to share it with. Don't you think?
I think you're right.
All right, your turn first. How was your week?
Pretty chaotic. Most of my time went to helping poor neighborhoods, fixing roofs, hauling supplies, sometimes teaching people how to defend themselves. But there's always a few who look at me like I'm 1 second away from starting a rebellion.
A man who once wore chains people judge fast. They don't see the Sylas who works himself to the bone all week just to help others.
I don't do it for praise. I'm just used to living for a purpose. No battles right now, so I help. I always have to be doing something.
That's why I respect you. Life treated you harshly, yet you still stand tall.
And your week must have been full of sunshine, right?
So bright it blinds people. Early in the week, I taught teens how to control emotions in combat. Midweek, I helped villagers move stuff, clear roads, and occasionally chased off a few small monsters. And the weekend? Meeting you, my biggest mission of the week.
Biggest mission?
Yep. Because seeing you every week feels like stepping into an exciting battle where I never know what's coming next.
A battle? I didn't think I was romantic in that way.
To me, anyone who makes my heart race is a worthy opponent.
So I'm being challenged?
Not challenged. I call it spiritual sparring.
Nice name.
Does your work ever make you want to just run away?
All the time. Especially when dealing with those bureaucratic councils. They talk in circles like they're scared of their own words. I prefer straight talk, but the straighter I am, the more they misunderstand.
You really know how to earn respect, instantly.
I'm just trying to help. If you want to stop me, deal with the consequences yourselves. They shut up fast.
After a whole week around people, do you ever get tired?
After a whole week around people, do you ever get tired?
Tired, yes, but I never let it crush me. Every long day ends the same way. I hunt for one tiny thing that makes me happy. A story, a moment, or just the color of the sunset.
I'm starting to admire how you see the world.
Admiring isn't enough. You have to try it too.
I did. This week, I sat for 30 minutes just watching the rain. No running off, no plotting revolutions. Just watching and listening.
And how did it feel?
For the first time, the rain didn't sound like metal clanging on chains. It felt soft, like it was washing some of the weight off me.
See? That's the power of peace. I always say not every fight makes you strong. Sometimes the real victory is letting go of old thoughts.
Maybe I'm learning that.
I'm happy to hear that. Oh, one more thing this week. I met an adorable kid who asked, "Sister Nilah, you're always happy. Do you never get sad?"
What did you tell him?
I said, "Of course I do. But I choose to stand on the side of joy like picking a teammate." The kid smiled right away.
You make everything sound simple yet profound.
And you make everything serious yet warm.
Warm?
Yeah. Dangerously reliable warmth. The kind where if I leaned on you, I know you'd never let me fall.
If you ever need it, I really won't let you fall.
See? Lines like that make my whole work week twice as bright.
I wasn't trying to.
The less you try, the scarier it gets. In the best way.
Nilah, you make it really hard to stay calm.
Then, my week's mission is accomplished. I made you waver just a little.
And I'm realizing meeting you is becoming a habit I don't want to break.
A good habit, right?
Very good, though maybe dangerous for me.
What are you scared of?
Getting used to it, and then wanting more.
If you want more, just say it.
I'm not sure I'm ready to say it yet.
That's okay. I can wait. Like in battle, everyone has their own pace.
Thank you for not pushing me.
I never push. I just leave the door open. You decide when to walk through.
Is that so?
All right. Now let's hear some fun random stories.
You really know how to change gears. Fine, I can talk all day as long as it's not politics.
Don't worry, I'm not dragging you into more trouble. So, do you have any weird little habits nobody knows about?
Yeah. When I walk alone, I count my steps. Don't know when it started, probably back in prison. Every step meant something then.
That habit sounds both sad and beautiful. Do you still count now that you're free?
I do. But it feels different. Every number is proof that I'm still alive, still moving forward, farther from the past.
I love how you see things harsh, yet there's always room for hope.
What's your weirdest habit?
I talk to myself like full question and answer. Nilah, are you happy today? And I answer, yes, because I still get to fight.
Let me guess, you praise yourself too, don't you?
Of course. If I don't praise myself daily, something feels missing. Nilah, you're amazing. Great job. Boom, spirit at 200%.
I get it. For you, joy is like breathing. You create it and protect it yourself.
Exactly. Joy doesn't come looking for you. You have to chase it down and tackle it.
I'm learning that from you. I'm not great at catching joy. But when I talk to you, it finds me on its own.
You have no idea how happy that makes me.
I mean it.
You know what I'm always curious about? If one day there were no more battles, no more missions, what would you do?
I'd fix up a small place, a rest stop for anyone who needs it. A wooden cabin, a fireplace, a long table where people can sit together. Quiet, no pressure.
Sounds like a sanctuary of peace.
Maybe. Or it sounds like I'm trying to run from trouble.
No, that's the dream of someone who's lived through too much chaos. Someone like you deserves peace.
And you? When you're done fighting?
I'd travel everywhere, visit every village, tell the stories I've seen, meet new people, make new memories. And I hope there'll be someone to share those stories with.
Someone to share them with?
Someone patient enough to listen to me ramble. Someone who'd roam the world with me. Someone who makes me feel not alone, no matter how far we go.
Are you describing someone specific?
Maybe. Or maybe I'm just opening a possibility.
Nilah, I always thought I only knew how to fight. But every time I'm with you, I realize I also know how to listen, how to be calm, and how to want to protect something without violence.
Protect what?
The person who taught me all of that.
You mean me?
Yes. Not the first time I felt it, but the first time I've dared say it out loud.
Thank you. Not for the words, for the courage behind them.
I'm not done yet. If one day you want to leave the battlefield, or just want a place to come home to, the door of that wooden cabin will always be open for you.
And right now, is your door open? For me to step a little closer?
It was never closed.
I really loved today's coffee date.
Me too.
Same place next week?
If you show up, I won't be anywhere else.
Then, see you. Don't count your steps on the way home. Let them carry you freely. Who knows, maybe they'll bring you even closer to me.
I'll try.